Hi, my name is Christopher Hart. I'm an author and cartoonist of many books on how to draw cartoons, including my newest one called Learn to Draw Cartoons, World's Easiest Cartooning Book Ever. Today, I'd like to give you some tips on doing a simple, cute panda bear. So what we're going to do is we're going to reverse everything and make the head bigger than the body. We don't have to stick by the rules. We're drawing cartoons. Actually, these are rules, but they're cartoon rules. You'll see this sort of thing in animation all the time. So this is the basic look of the character. That's the head, this is the body, these will be the arms. Make the arms kind of short. And here is the upper body, and the bottom will have just like this. It's just going to be a fun, very simple panda. Slow it down so you can catch up. See, it's rounded, little V in here. And these arms are short. Don't put any elbows in here. Otherwise, I'll have to give you a ticket. Because with a very cute character that's plump, you don't want to draw elbows. It just makes them look a little lanky. We don't want that. Okay, here's the center line. Here is the eye line. And here is the bridge of the nose. Let's bring this up so these look like it's overlapping his shoulders. The arms will look like they're overlapping his shoulders. Here is the little bit of a nose, and we'll have a split lip, which means it comes down here like this. But here is the little vertical line in the middle. It comes up there. I'm going to actually make it do so even more. Like this. And we'll bring a little bit of a chin over here. How about a little eye like this? It's not little, but it's not big considering the size of the head, and I will tell you why in a second. Because when you have a really cute character, you want to leave a lot of forehead. That's the proportions. Proportions for cute characters. Again, you see that all throughout an animation. Now, do you have to do it that way? Yes. Otherwise, again, you're going to get a ticket. No. This is not like a law that you cannot break, but it is a good guideline. You can't go wrong following it. Of course, you can go out and come up with something else anytime you want. But I'm showing you some basic guidelines here, just to get you started. And once you know them, then I think is a good time to create variations. So just a small smile in the middle. Doesn't start here. It starts down here. See that? That's a mistake some people make, and you won't be making that. Okay, let's slope this out here. Let's slope this out here, and I'll show you how we do that. We erase this part, erase that part. A little bit of fur this way. Now, so what makes this thing a panda? Well, first of all, we're making the ears small because we're going to emphasize something. What we're going to emphasize is the markings. We're going to have this be the bottom of the tummy, but here are the legs. And here are the arms. So look at those markings already taking place, right? And we will give him some eye patches. Now the eye patches, a little touch I will tell you about, which is that we'll make them smaller on the inside and wider on the outside, because if you bring them on the inside too close, they kind of look weird. You don't want to do that. But no one will notice if you make them a little smaller here. They won't notice. And if they do notice, don't worry, I'll write you a note saying, please don't worry about Christopher Hart's viewer. He meant to make it not noticeable. And that should work. Okay, so here we go. How about if I now, do it over again with the marker. Make it a little darker, a little fuller, and see what we have. It should really bring it out, especially since this guy is black and white. He's black and white even if he's in a color film. Really cute, guys. There's so many ways to create a panda. I mean, it's almost endless. It's one of those characters that doesn't have to look exactly like the animal or exactly like another cartoon. I'm going to bring this bridge of the nose up a little higher. I think it'll look better. And bring the nose up a little higher. Yeah, I don't want to get too far away from the eyes. Okay, and we go here. I think that's my phone, my phone. I hate when this happens, but anyway, like I say, it might be time for me to get that warranty filled. All right, here we go. So you see how the inside of the eyes right here is a little thinner than the inside here? It will look better that way. All right, so we'll bring this down here, make that a little, make him look like he's kind of got a bunchy cheek, which is nice. From flat eyebrows, reaching upward. Like this, and nice wide face. And this comes over. Remember, we have those arms in front of the shoulders. Give him a cute look. And arch that tummy right here. Really arch that tummy. I'm serious. And if you arch this tummy, you've got to also have that curve in the back. Otherwise, it won't look like anything. I'm going to put a little bit of ground here. And to make those look like legs and markings, you have to have that little bit here, that fur. A little fur under here for a chin, that's what that stands for. And some small ears, and the reason the ears are small is because we don't want to take away, as I mentioned, from the markings, which are the main thing. Big ears will make you look at the ears, and we don't want that. A round top here, spiky hair, like so. And let me just darken these areas in, just using my pencil, that's all I'm using. Like so. I'm going to erase some of the sketch marks, but right now I want to just darken these areas. They need to be darker because the marker is so dark, otherwise you won't notice it. Okay, let me darken this in. And this as well. Keep everything sketchy. Sketching is a lot of fun, I think. Sketching is fun because it always invites you to change things. If you start and everything is worked out exactly in advance, I mean, okay, but to me, that's not where the creativity comes from. It's doing something and say, wait, why don't I try this? Wait, why don't I try that? I mean, those are choices. You make the choices. So many people think that you can't make a choice. That's you have to do exactly right the first time. It's not written that way anywhere. Really, it isn't. Okay. Here you go. So a cute panda bear for you. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked it. And remember to subscribe because I have new videos every week and I'd love to see you there. So I will see you next time. Bye-bye.